Hey everyone, I am Manvaishari from Sound Labs. Today we are diving into an musical interface controlled by your muscle activity. Using EMG signals, we will show you how to turn muscle contraction into sound with Neuro PlayGround Lite and a super cool web interface. Whether you are a musician, maker or exploring assistive tech, this project is for you. Before moving forward, let's get some idea about EMG. Electromyography is a technique for evaluating and recording the electrical activity produced by a skeletal muscle. When you contract a muscle, it generates small electrical signals that can be detected using electrodes placed on the skin surface. Here is what you will need to get started. Neuro PlayGround Lite, Wise Playmate, 7 bio snap cables, 7 gel electrodes, new prep skin preparation gel, alcohol swabs or wet wipes, a laptop, Arduino IDE and our muscle melody web interface. This project is possible because of Neuro PlayGround Lite, which is a compact Adafruit feather form factor 3-channel wireless biopotential signal amplifier designed for EMG, ECG, EOG and EEG recording. It offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee and Thread connectivity along with patient protection, LEDs, user LED, charging LED, 6 addressable RGB LEDs, buttons, reset and user button, LiPo battery charging and USB-C with ESG protection. Its lightweight and user-friendly design makes it perfect for research, education and wearable applications. Neuro PlayGround Lite will be launched soon on Cloud Supply. Subscribe now to never miss out on any updates. All links are provided in the description box below. Now let's start building the project. The very first step is skin preparation. Clean the skin area where electrodes will be placed using an alcohol swab. Start by applying new prep skin preparation gel to the areas where the electrodes are placed. This gel gently exfoliates the top layer of the skin, removing dead cells and oils that can interfere with signal transmission. After rubbing the gel in the circular motion for a few seconds, clean the area using an alcohol swab or wet wipes. Once your skin is prepared, it's time to connect bio snap cables. Connect 7 bio snap cables like this. Positive of channel 1 A0P, negative of channel 1 A0N, positive of channel 2 A1P, negative of channel 2 A1N, positive of channel 3 A2P, negative of channel 3 A2N, reference ref. Now connect these biome cables to the gel electrodes and place them on targeted muscles. Positive and negative cables of channel 1 A0P and A0N will be placed on finger extension muscle of the left hand. Positive and negative cables of channel 2 A1P and A1N will be placed on the finger extension muscle of the right hand. Then positive and negative cables of channel 3 A2P and A2N will be placed on pectoralis major muscle on the left side of the chest. Finally, the reference will be placed on the bony part at the back side of the palm. To get your NPG Lite ready for action, upload the latest firmware using Arduino IDE. To do this, power up the Neuro PlayGround Lite by flipping the on-off switch and connecting your NPG device to your laptop PC with a Type-C cable. Copy your board's firmware sketch from the GitHub folder. This ensures you are always working with the latest version as updates roll out frequently. Launch the Arduino IDE and directly paste it into a new Arduino sketch window. Install the ESP32 board from the board's menu. You don't need to install Arduino ESP32, just install ESP32. Install the required libraries such as Adafruit NewPixel. The IDE will usually prompt you to install any missing ones. Just click install when prompted. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools, Board and select ESP32. ESP3266 DEV module. Once your board is selected and libraries are installed, click the upload button. Once uploaded, unplug your device. Is now ready to go wireless. Now comes the fun part, playing music with your muscle signals. Open web interface, turn on the Bluetooth of your laptop or PC. Click on the connect button to scan for available devices. Select NPG Lite and click connect. The button will change to disconnect the data stream. Then you can set the notch filter 50 Hz and EMG filter by clicking on the filter button. Set the threshold according to your muscle strength by clicking on the settings buttons. Flex and hear those sweet musical notes. And just like that, you are turning muscle movement into music. This is just the beginning. Imagine the possibilities for creating various SCI and BCI projects using Neuro PlayGround Lite. What will you create with NPG Lite? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe NPG Lite's pre-launch page on Cloud Supply to never miss out on the latest updates. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Keep tinkering.